Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Patrice, and on this channel I do lifestyle vlogs. So whatever I'm doing, I'm videoing, and right now I'm an international student in Canada and I'm just sharing this journey with you guys. Alright, so for today's video I will be going to check on my dorm room. I'll be collecting my keys today and just basically seeing how it looks. None of my stuff is going to be in there. It's going to be just plain empty, and I'm going to share that with you guys. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit that red button down below to get subscribed to my channel. Bye. Hey guys, I just picked up my stuff. I'm gonna show you guys my key, and I'm going to head over right now to the dorm room. So yeah, I'm gonna see how it looks, and of course you guys are gonna see how it looks as well. Let me show you my little goodie bag. So I'm still walking, guys. My little goodie bag here. I got my keys in it. I got a little hat. I got a little cup. You guys can't see properly. Yeah. When I go in the door, I'll show you guys better. But we are heading to the door. We are heading to the door. And like in my last vlog, this is a couple days after that, hopefully. And as I said in my last vlog, today's a good day. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. If I go and look a step there, so yeah, I'll see you guys in my dorm. I'm about to go inside. A2, that's me. Okay. Alright. Door is locked. Alright guys, so yeah, I've reached my dorm and I'm just showing you guys around real quickly. It is I don't know, I spoke to someone and they said it was a small space, but I'm okay with it. I have a lot of storage area. It's my little bed I'm going to be sleeping on. I'm walking on the road, guys. I'm heading back home and I'm just seeing some of the Christmas lights. Ooh, look at that tree over there. And I thought I'll share it with you guys. Oh my god, houses are pretty normally. By this time of the evening I'm inside because it's winter, it gets dark pretty early. But you guys can guess the time. Comment down below and tell me what you think the time is right now. I'm going over closer to this pretty tree, but comment down below and let me know what you think the time is. So pretty. Look at that. So they don't go too hard in this community based on what I'm seeing. But yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys think the time is. Maybe I have something special for the first person with the right answer as to what time it is right now. And make sure to check it for interesting with the right time as well. And today I moved all my stuff in today. It's been crazy for me. I can't wait until I just get to lay down and get for rest. I'm a bit tired. It's been crazy for me, guys. I went to Walmart and I got down to put my name in a pillow to lie my head on. So I went, I got some groceries. My groceries was out. So I went and I got some. I couldn't vlog, guys. It was not that type of situation there. So I went, I got grocery, I got stuff, just some little necessities that I need to function for at least the next week or so before, because today's December the 31st. So happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Alright guys, so basically this is my unit, this is my dorm room. I'm supposed to be sharing it with 4 other persons, but right now it's just me. This is my bathroom toilet area, because you're sharing it, they separate the toilet from the shower. So I have my shower here. That's me. And I have my toilet area here. Right? Nothing too fancy, it's just regular. I have a mirror that's on the outside. And I'm going through. So let's go inside, guys. So just stepping in my room, the first thing that you guys see is my bed. This bed is taking some getting used to, but I mean it's cozy. You get a better viewing angle. So this is my bed. That's my blanket. And as you can see, the theme from our room I'm going with is pink and blue. Those are my two favorite colors, so that's what I'm going with. All right. After you leave my bed, you have my my over the door hanger, and right now that has some stuff on it. So it has my winter jacket, it's winter time now. It has my robe, it has my little sweater that I put on sometimes, it has my little towel, it has my bonnet, some mask, COVID is still here, some hats, or some hats, and this little bag here that looks like a marina for Jamaica. I got at Dollarama. Dollarama is the plug, guys. Let me just insert. Dollarama, you can pay me for this. Dollarama is the plug for international students, I swear. So I got this at Dollarama for about $2. I have all my bathroom supplies in here. Toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, yeah, just everything. I just grab this and I go in the shower. So I don't leave my things in the shower. To the right of that, have my suitcase. This is where they are, and some of my shoes are here. This is also my little open closet area thingy. There's nothing to separate it. I have some of my sweaters and hoodies right here, and right above that I have some clothes folded to the right, and I have some of my laundry items. So these are for laundry. That's my detergent, that's my bleach over there. I kind of put this up here so when I come out inside from afterward, I just grab it and sanitize my hand before I touch anything in my room. Up here is just kind of an unorganized bag storage. Those are shopping bags. That's my bag for when I'm going in the kitchen that I do share. I don't think I'll show you guys in the kitchen because I went there early and it's being used, so I'm not going to show you guys the kitchen area. Even though my bed looks so comfy, under my bed here is where I have my storage area. It's for my clothes. So I have some drawers here. I have them separated in this drawer. You know, I Jamaica, I'm going to come black scannel bag though. In this bag I have like jeans and bottoms and stuff like that. In this drawer here I have mostly tops and like casual wear like that. In this drawer I have my lingerie items, so my underwear and stuff like that I have in this drawer. I'm gonna open that. And in this drawer here I have most of my summer clothing that, you know, like sleeveless dress and stuff like that I'm not going to be wearing in the winter time. And in this little area is where I have like my laundry bag. That's my laundry bag you're looking at, and just any little items I need to put away with I put in this area here. So it's a lot of storage, guys, a lot of storage. Yeah, and that is it for my bed. All right, right next to my bed, right in front of my bed, I have my desk, and it is huge and just enough for whatever I need it for. So right on my desk here I have my little vanity area, which is where you'll find all of my little knickknacks. So deodorant, lotion, hair oil, vaporizing or bought just in case. That's my little vanity area. This here is my little pen holder. But I basically throw anything I see in here, like there's the scissors in there, there's a buffer in there, but that's here. This is my key for the unit. This is my little snack plate. Well, it's really my dinner plate, but I have two of them. So I just basically use one for dinner and one for keeping my snacks on. I'm trying not to overdo it, guys. Oh my god, I'm trying not to overdo it with the snacks. Comment down below what's your favorite snack. Right now I'm loving these sour straps from Dollarama, as well as the Hershey's cookie and cream. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite snacks are. Right next to that I have my pictures of my fave, my family that I miss so much back home. I have a picture of them. This is a little mini jewelry box area here, so I have my jewelry in it. Below that I have my tablet. Netflix no good again. It's basically my TV while I'm here. This is now down to business, my work area. This is my laptop. Behind my laptop I have some books. Yeah, that's just basically the book I'm going to be using in school because it's 5 subjects. To the left of that is my mini hair care area. So I have my combs, I have my leave-in conditioner, I have shampoo, conditioner, curling cream and all that jazz. My stash not really up right now, but I kind of take time set it up. Under my desk I just have some shoes. Those are my main 2 winter shoes. I'll keep them closed. And I just have some other shoes. For my desk drawer, the first one I have some knickknacks in it. So I have some Clorox wipes and just some other random stuff in this drawer. But this drawer here I have, well, this is my uniform. So this is over here. My uniform is over here. It's not supposed to be in it, but this is my I want to call it my pharmacy drawer, because in this I have like extra toothpaste, extra soap, I have painkillers, extra deodorants, extra toothbrush, my sanitary napkins, just, you know, razors, everything. This is my pharmacy right here. Last but not least, my favorite place is my little I say my pantry. So let me go on the row here. Right on this row I just have some food items. Basically, you know, the Grace coconut milk thing, turn up, rice and peas, turn up, the steamed fish, turn up. Alright, so calm down. So yeah, so I have some food items on this shelf here. Second one, I have some more food items. Over this side I have some seasonings, so you know, your regular seasoning, the Maggi, the round, so black pepper sauce, all that jazz. I have oil here, right there actually. I have water. I have Pringles. That's like my one of my favorite like snacks. I'm not a big Doritos or all them stuff, but I'll eat a sour cream Pringles. I'll snack on that. I have juice back here, and I have some cereal and pasta here. The very top row is where I have my cooking utensils, so my pots, my cutting board, all of them jazz. My plates is stored because I do a lot of meal prep, because I don't want to be in the kitchen like every day, so I'll cook food and I'll make it last me for a while. So I have my containers there, and yeah. To the right of that, there's a little board that they provided, and I actually came in here and saw these pins, so that was really cool. I have my timetable on here right now, but whatever I have something for school, it's going to go up there. To the left of that is my mirror. So oh, you guys have company. You guys can see some persons walking outside. This is just my view, not really much, but I like that I have a big window. I like that I can have a lot of light coming in the room, because I didn't even need to turn on the light in the room. I get a huge amount of light, so I like that. And right here is where I now do my videos, so I can get great lighting. Yeah, so that is basically it. Last but not least, that is me looking like a snack. That's me, guys. So this is my full length mirror in my room. It's rug. I don't know what's stained that right there. It's a rug that's in my room. And yeah, so So that's pretty much it for me. So dorm room style for the next couple of months while I'm in school. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit that subscribe button down below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Subscribe to my channel for more international student tips. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on being an international student in Canada. See you guys later.